I wasted all my teenage year hiding in my bedroom. I used to say no to experiences just because I was too insecure and too scared of the world to see me. Until I looked back and I figured out that I spent all of my good years just closed in my house. If you like me, you struggle and see yourself as worthy, you struggle with your self-confidence, and you just feel like your insecurity is stopping you to living your best life, then this is the video for you. I'm gonna tell you exactly how I went from my most insecure self to my most confident self in these easy bulletproof steps. First, you need to surround yourself with people that see, know, recognize, and value your worth. Especially in your younger age, your friendship and the people that you surround yourself daily, they are the environment that you live with every day. They are your little society. And of course, the way that you feel with the people that are around you every day is gonna impact how you feel with yourself when you are alone. And if you have around yourself people that make you feel guilty only because you're thinking of improving yourself, only because you're thinking that yes, maybe I might go out of the box. Maybe today I'm gonna dress a little bit more fancy and a little bit, put together just because I feel like it. Maybe today I'm gonna wear this makeup because it makes me feel confident. Or maybe today I won't wear makeup and I'm gonna go outside makeup free and feel confident. If you have people that look at you and kind of put you down or do snarky remarks that make you go, oh yeah, maybe no, this is not my place. You're right. Let me go back to where I was before. Cut them off. In order to grow and in order to be your best self, you need to grow in a healthy environment. You cannot grow in an environment that is unhealthy. When you have toxic people around you that push your self-esteem down, how do you believe that you can find self-worth and self-confidence surrounded by people that every single day they remind you, no, this is your place, not that? It's not possible. And if you still don't believe me, let me give you two more examples. This is Maya. Maya has this friends group for ages. We're talking about 5-year long friend group. However, she found herself often being misunderstood by them and also a little bit put down. But no, they're just joking, they're not serious. They just said a joke because it was funny, but they didn't really mean it. I mean, they didn't know that that was my insecurity and didn't know that that remind might make me feel this way. So honestly, it's my fault. It's my fault that I'm so sensitive. It's my fault that I take everything so serious. And even though when I'm around them, I often feel like I can't really speak up. I can't handle this relationship. I can't handle this friendship. Child. Anyway, so over here we have Jasmine. She's now working on a lot of her insecurity and she feels that she sees herself as less worthy as anybody else and she needs to fix that. By doing that, by being aware of the situation, she just started to see and to notice a little bit of snark remarks done by her best friend, a little bit of comments. Honestly, deep down, they hurt her and they impact her. And after addressing her concern to her best friend, she saw that she simply brushed it off and continued with this behavior. What did Jasmine do? Jasmine cut her off, not because she was a bad person or because she now was the villain of the story, but just because she realized she needed a place mentally where she could simply feel like grow, like flourish. She lost one of the best friends. Of course, she felt lonely. Of course, she felt a little bit lost at time. But you know what happened? She gave herself space to find herself, but also find people that relate with her and relate with her journey. You need to be in a place where all your external influences have a positive impact on you. And this kind of tie with the second point, which is make social media your friend, not your enemy. There's so much discourse right now on how Instagram make people feel insecure and you compare yourself with everybody and it's such a bad app. Same for TikTok, same from, I don't know, even YouTube. And of course it does. You only follow people that look nothing like you and you don't see the correlation. You open your phone every day and you like picture and you admire people that look nothing like you, achieving things that you're not achieving. Now your brain is just like wired on thinking, yes, they're doing it because they look like that, maybe because they have that, and look at you, you're not like them, so therefore you're not as valuable, you're not as worthy, and you need to change yourself in order to fit in that mold. That's absolutely the quickest way to self-destruct that you can find. I always been a fashion lover, like a fashion addict since I was a kid. And when Instagram came out, I used the app solely to follow a lot of fashion bloggers and fashion beauty influencers. I have this folder on my phone that goes back to 2014, which is called Mode, where I would screenshot all the outfit that I liked and put it in this fold. And every night I would look at this fold and imagine my life wearing this outfit and going out and feeling as cute and confident, but only if I lose 10, 20, 30 kilos. Only then I can then wear this outfit, because look at this girl. She's a skinny girl with thigh gaps and abs and like a tiny waist. And of course she's wearing these beautiful clothes because she's beautiful herself. Look at me now. I'm a fat girl, no waist, no thigh gaps. Of course I would never be able to pull out that outfit. I was not even thinking, like my mind could not even fathom the idea of me wearing those outfits and going out and feeling confident. And mind you, back in the day I was way slimmer than I am right now, and I look at myself every day in the mirror and thinking, I'm so ugly, I'm so fat, I'm so like I need to hide myself, and I would literally hide myself in my room. It's only when I started to intentionally following people that look like me that my mindset completely shifted. I remember that the first plus size influencer at the time that I found was Letitia T. It was so odd to me because I was looking at her having a similar, bigger, fuller body like mine, and I was thinking, why the heck is she wearing these clothes? Why is she not hiding herself? Why does she think that she can do this? Because I grew up seeing just certain kind of people doing the things that I would like to do, and that just taught me indirectly that only these people can do that, and if you want to do it, you need to look like them. And seeing someone that looked like me, that had a similar body type as mine, doing things and wearing stuff that I would always dream of wearing, first felt very odd. I was very, I would say, throwback, because my brain was not used to it. Literally, my eyes were not used to it. I remember seeing pictures of plus size women, or just like larger women that are not a size 2, and thinking they're huge. Like my eyes saw them so wide, like myself. When I look in the mirror, I saw myself as completely different than reality. I saw myself as bigger. You know, when your eyes is used to see just a certain body type, everything that is not like that will be exaggerated. And let me not even start with the race and ethnicity of people. Back in the day, I was following all just skinny white blonde girls. I can't even lie. When I figured all this out, I just got sick. I just got sick of feeling every day like I'm not worthy. I just got sick of it. I was like, you know what? I need to be intentional. I follow Letitia T, and I just started to find some more others influencer and some more other models that look like me, body like or ethnicity like, and they were just living my dream life, and they were doing it with their heads up. Seeing people that look like me on Instagram being proud of themselves, wearing things I always thought that I could never wear, was the first step for me to realize I can do that. I see girls that look like me doing that and wearing all these outfits that I always loved, and they look good. So if they look good, why can't I look good? If they are confident, why I can't be confident? If they are living their best life, why I can't do it? They look just like me. They're beautiful, successful women that look just like me, have my skin color, have my body type, and they live in the best life unapologetically. Why can't they do it and can't I do it? And that's how everything changed. And I just had to unfollow or mute just people or accounts that made me feel bad about myself. All the beauty influencers that I was following at the time, I don't follow them anymore. Not because they have anything wrong. The fault is not on them, but the way that was making me feel was not worth it. So I had to cut it off and find other people that just empower me. And you need to be intentional with this. You need to go on your phone and be intentional on one, finding the people that will enrich you, and two, unfollowing the people or the accounts that actually make you feel bad. You're gonna start looking at yourself in the mirror and recognize yourself as someone who can do whatever the heck she wanna do. Because when you use your phone, you saw Rebecca looking exactly like you, having the dream job of your life, or doing the dream vacation, having the dream outfit. So if Rebecca can do it, then girl, you can do it too. On this topic, I put together 200 plus journal prompts specifically about body image, self-love, and self-discovery. You can get it completely for free on the link in the box down below. I'm sure you will enjoy it, and it will be a great tool in your self-confidence journey. Another big point is play around your insecurities. Just say that you are very insecure about your belly. Maybe you have an apron belly, or maybe you have like just a bigger belly. So in order to hide your insecurity, you just wear super baggy clothes that hide your figure. Wrong, don't do that. This is what you're gonna do now. You play around with the silhouette. Okay, wearing a crop top is still like something out of your galaxy, out of your universe, and is okay. But what if instead of wearing super baggy sweatpants or super baggy bottoms, you start with maybe something like a pair of jeans that is high-waisted. And since the jeans is high-waisted, you have this feeling of having your belly kind of cinched by the high-waistedness. still you're wearing your baggy tops, okay, it's fine. You can still wear your baggy top, but underneath it, just wear jeans and just wear maybe like a high-waisted skirt, something that makes you feel put together in that area. And you do that one day, you do that 2 days, you do that 3 days, and one day you're like, you know what? Let me maybe tack me a shirt, tack it a little bit on my jeans just to give me a little bit of silhouette. And then in a month, you're like, you know what? Let me just tack all the baggy shirt in it. And then one day you're gonna be like, maybe today I won't wear a baggy top. I'm so used to my high-waisted jeans or high-waisted bottoms and baggy tops. Let me do something more. Like, let me do something a little bit different, a little step ahead. Let me go with this tight top. A skin tight top. It's still long, it's not cropped, but it's skin tight. So, it shows a little bit of my figure, show a little bit of my chest area, my arms, my waist, but still the belly is covered because I'm wearing my high-waisted jeans and I'm wearing my long skirt. And then the days go by and you're gradually there with figures, you're gradually there with silhouette. And then one day you're gonna go out, you're gonna see this crop top that you like, and you're gonna be like, you know what? Yes, I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna wear it. And you will wear it and you will feel confident in it because you're used to it. You're used to there with your figures. It's not something alien to you. You make yourself comfortable with the idea with every single small steps. And now you're going out with your high-waisted jeans and your crop top and you're feeling unstoppable. That is how you play around with insecurity. And that is exactly how I play around with my insecurity. So it's tested and it's approved. Gradually, you will become comfortable with showing and with styling that part of your body that you once was so insecure about. It's just something that comes natural to you. And one day you will wake up and you'll figure out, oh my God, I'm wearing all the things that years ago I was so afraid of wearing. I'm doing all the things that years ago I was so insecure of doing, simply because you put simple steps, small steps that kind of guide you in that direction. Not everything has to be drastic. Everything has to be intentional, but not drastic. Another point that is so crucial is get dressed for yourself, girl. I'm sorry, but I needed to say it. Yes, confidence comes from within and it will always stay like this, but a good outside surely does help. And what do I mean by outside? I'm not talking about superficial things, but just like the way that you carry yourself outside in the world is how you make the world perceive you and how you want to be perceived. So that goes to not only outfits and clothes, but simple as your posture, as your gesture. When you walk outside, do you look at the ground or do you look like in front of you? Clothes are a big component on how you feel. When you go out and you go out with an outfit that you actually like, you're just automatically feeling 10 times better. Of course, in every day, you're gonna wear clothes in order to hide yourself. Clothes that you don't really like, but they do the job because they hide your figure, they hide your body, and so nobody will perceive you. And when you go outside, you will feel exactly like your clothes, like frumpy and not cute and not good. And if you don't feel cute, you will not feel confident. Not to say that baggy clothes are frumpy and if you want to be confident, you only have to wear revealing clothes. Not at all. Quite the opposite. If you find that your style is baggy clothes and you feel the most confident in yourself wearing baggy clothes, wear the baggy clothes, style them how you want and go out and just live your best life. But if you feel that wearing baggy clothes is just your way to hide yourself and to not let the world perceive you, then maybe it's time to switch. Maybe it's time to wear the clothes that you actually like, and don't ever think that, oh, they're not meant to me. Don't ever think that, no, I can't do it. I can't wear it because this is my body and da da da. Never. What is the worst that can happen? At the end of the day, your body is still there. Whether you hide it or whether you show it, you still are you. Like today, you still have that individual. So what is the point of living today miserably with the thought and the imagination that, yes, maybe in a month or in 2 months or in 3 months, then I could wear this, then I could do this. What if that days never come? You keep pushing it and that day never come, and you just keep living your life in the present miserably, not doing the things that you want to do, not wearing the thing that you want to wear, just because you think, oh no, not today. Do it today. Make yourself feel good today. Make yourself feel desirable to yourself today. It's good to dream about being your best self. Maybe even you want to lose weight just because you want to feel more comfortable. Good is good. But while doing that, while working on that, don't ever forget that today, even today, you still can do that experience and work on your goal. That's the key. The key is loving yourself in every stage of your journey.